Hey guys, what's up? Felipe CyberBikes here in the workshop. Lucas, our official mechanic over there. Check out this cargo bike. Custom monkey bars. Okay, so the child here is very safe. We're also gonna install a net between this gap here, this back area, and the bike. We are making custom foot pegs. Right now it's just a mock-up with zip ties, but soon we're gonna start drilling and bolting things. Custom basket on the front with custom headlight. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna work on the brake holes, make an extension to compensate this length. On the other side, on another work stand, we have a Yuba cargo bike that has been converted to electric. We didn't do the conversion, but we're gonna push our cyber settings in that Bafang motor, and we're gonna do a general maintenance on this one as well.